Okay guys, I went to my creative world on my PC and I designed an apiary because I had to figure out how many of the hives do I need and everything to get all the productive bees. There are, to my knowledge, 144 different productive bees and I want all of them. Okay, anyway, I came up with something small. I mean, in my scale. Let's take a look. Where do I have the? Wait, give me 1 second. I have my schematic in my Cannon already because I built everything already and I put it in here. Here's my schematic and let me show you. I'm going inside because I will show you with free cam. So let's go. I built it so that I could align it to my already existing buildings, so I didn't have an issue, putting it down. So let's see. This is what I came up with. My small little apiary. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it freaking amazing? So in any case, this is just for the bees. Okay. I have some entrances here which I don't use, so I basically block them off. I have some Ender.io glass that I can pass through, but nothing else can, so my bees won't escape. And the same here. Yeah, and here I will put some grass down and some flowers, and these are basically my apiaries, my hives, which I can fully automate. These are, how do you call them, trapdoors. And I have to pull in Applied Energistics cabling as well because it didn't copy for some reason. I don't know why, but anyway, I have 144 of these hives here, and yeah, it took a while to build this, even in creative, but I wouldn't even bother building it here manually. It's ridiculous, but yeah, also a lot of stuff that I need. So let me go over this real quick. So as you can see, I'm missing 4. I don't know where I'm missing those 4, but I will find them. It's not a big deal, and even if I have to add a couple of them. Maybe I miscalculated. I don't know. A lot of special glass, deep slate, pillars, cobblestone. Yeah, before I can do that, I need to fix some things. So let me quickly get to work and I will see you after. I cleaned up everything and let me put my schematic back in. I have my schematic here, and as you know, you saw already, there are lots of materials that I need. And for this reason, because I have all the stuff in my Applied Energistics system, I decided to install another mod, which is Applied Kinetics, which has this ME Proxy, which basically acts as an, access point for the Schematic Cannon to access my ME system, so I don't have to put all the materials into a chest under there. So it acts as a chest, which is connected to my ME storage, which means I don't have to do anything anymore. I can just start it and can get going. The only thing that I will have to do probably is to in between to make sure I have the materials in storage, because I'm not sure I have. Without further ado, I will start the process and I will see you after I have done everything, and I will probably produce a time lapse of it. So hang on and I will see you after I'm done. So it's done. The whole building has been printed, so to say. And let's show you. That's, as I said, it's a quite small building. I mean, I wanted to do a mega build, but I don't think this is a mega build. I'm joking. Anyhow, yeah, it's done, and I already put in my clear glass, which was a pain to create. I hate these complicated recipes from Ender.io, but yeah, well, what can I say? Yeah, I need to finish up. I mean, of course, I have to put in all the hives. Also, I have to put in the ME storage buses and everything, which I will do very soon. I have to put in some grass so it can spread. And let me check if I have to fix anything. Doesn't look half bad, to be honest. I'm quite happy. But as you can see, it's just a shell because I didn't prepare properly by creating all the hives that I need. But you can do it differently. If you like, I will share the blueprint or the schematic on my Discord. If you want to join my Discord, you know, link is in the description. Just join my Discord. I will put up all the schematics that I use. So if you want to build it yourself, you can do it. Or even if you only want one part of this, you can take the schematic, print it in a creative world with my mod pack, obviously, which is also on my Discord, and you can just cut out these towers and print them, you know, singularly. You can print them out, then you can do your own schematics off of them. Join my Discord. I would really appreciate that. So the next step is to, what am I going to do? I'm going to get the grass. So hang on, I'm going to get grass real quick, and when I have done that, I will probably get to work with the hives, which I already started, by the way, in between the time lapse and now, or while the time lapse was recording, I was working on the bees and I figured out a couple of things because I haven't been in the loop for a long time already. So I didn't know how the bees actually work. So first off, what I did is I've been using the feeding trough to, you know, get more bees. Also, I made some kind of, how is it called? Airlock? I don't know. So they can't escape. And we checked 1, 2, 4. I had 5. I don't understand that. Why are they going missing? I don't understand. Where is my... This is really weird. The bees are going missing at some point. I have no idea why. I was wondering because I was harvesting the beehive, the natural ones, without putting a fire under it, and I got stung, and suddenly I had like 2 bees. I had like 3 or 5 or something, and suddenly there were only 2. It's like, okay, what the crap? So I understand if they sting you, well, they don't like that and they will die. So you shouldn't do that. But what I don't understand, 1, what else do I have? 2, 3, 4. I had 5 bees. I don't know why there are only 4 now. They must despawn or something. I have no idea. But yeah, well, anyway, I'm going to gather enough honey and everything until I can build some hives or craft some, until I can craft some hives. And then I will start with that and then I will see you again. Let me do this real quick. For you, it will be a couple of seconds. For me, it will probably be hours and hours. So yeah, anyway, see you back then. Okay, I think I found the issue with the bees dying. I saw in other people's Minecraft worlds that they put trapdoors over the fire. And probably my bees were just burning to death, so I don't know. Anyhow, I put some trapdoors down and now they are repopulating pretty well. I still have my feeding trough, which is super handy for getting them to automatically breed. I put some cornflowers in, which I'm producing right now in quantities with another machine, but this is not the point. Also, I started, I tried to I tried to get this oak nest to spawn something. I need some items for this. The item is, let me check. I have a honey bottle. I need a honey bottle and I need a honeycomb exactly a honey treat. So usually it's supposed to work like this, that I use it on this nest and it spawns a bee. It didn't spawn one there. Maybe it's just a chance base. So try it again. Okay, it puts down my... so it might be a chance-based thing. I don't know. Maybe it's maybe it's because I'm down here, but... yeah, I don't need them right now. I will need the specific bees later. Right now it's fine the way it works. So I'm just going to put my honeycombs into the centrifuge, which also is something that I completely forgot about. I need a lab. And this here, as you can see, this is basically the basement of my apiary. And I didn't plan space upstairs for my lab because I thought to myself, well, I'm doing my lab downstairs, you know, so I'm going to build that as well. And I haven't figured out a layout yet, but I will start building something and I will show you as soon as I got something to show. This episode I will try to get all the stuff at least running, not done for good, but at least running. So I can show you something because this is really a lot of work. So hang on there once more and yeah, I'm going to update you as soon as I got something. I got everything finished now. As you can see, I have my, let's call it a canvas, you know. I got the basement of my apiary done. Everything outside here still looks crappy, but that is not the job for this episode. But I'm quite happy with how it turned out, to be honest. I had to redo a couple of sections. Probably have seen this in my time-lapse. But now I need to put in everything else. But before I do this, I remember I completely forgot the last touches outside. So let's get upstairs and let's do them first. I have the lights. I should put down more lights here. But I ran out of glowstone. But yeah, as you can see, this isn't working. You know, this is not aligned. Can I pick up? No, I can't. Can I? Oh yeah, I can. That's good. So I need to fix this real quick, because as I said, this is not right. Great. What should I not? I think I shouldn't have. How many is this? 5, I believe. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay. I shouldn't have torn this down. I have no material. God, I'm stupid. Here. Okay. That should be okay. Close this back down. Do I have enough? I don't... it looks like I do. Yep. That should be fine. Then, yeah, I need to... Oh, I need to fix that. Doesn't look like I'm doing it the right way at the moment. Okay, this. Okay, this at least somehow looks reasonable. Why am I doing it like this? I'm so dumb. Ah, yeah, of course, because I don't have the stones in my inventory. I'm so dumb. Okay, let me quickly fix that. Okay, fix that, and now I need to get rid of these. Oh, still didn't get... Oh my god. Make sure that nothing can spawn inside. I'm not sure if I left it in, but I got almost... I mean, I wasn't blown up, but I got 2 creepers blowing up downstairs while I was working there. And they came out of nowhere, and yeah, I don't want this to happen again. Why am I doing this? Oh my god. I always forget that I have the exchange tool. I want... What do I want? I need more dirt. Oh my god. Let's do this. I don't care for the moment. Okay. Do I? Oh, yeah, of course. I can fill this up. Oh, God. This is so annoying. Right. That looks better. Did I put down? Yeah, I put down. Let's remove the torches again. Because I think I will put down some glowstone. I don't have glowstone right now. Huh? I've been running out of glowstone like crazy once more. Yeah. I'm going to put down a torch here. I'm going to put down a torch here. So yeah, this should be okay. I need to fix that as well. Looks like I'm not done yet. I'm not done here anyway. But for the moment, I think that should be fine. I can work on this later. I will do this in between episodes. Ah yeah, the grass has been growing. Fine, perfect. Yeah. Everything looks good. Everything is in order. What happened here? What is going on? What the f... Oh my god, what did I do? No! Oh my god. Yeah, looks like I screwed up. But this shouldn't be that big of a deal. I just need to put back in the massive tough blocks. Yeah, that's fine. Basically, I used the vein miner on top, probably downstairs somewhere, and it's removed everything it's found. Yeah, stupid me. Good that I don't have any bees flying around here yet. Otherwise, they would escape. Okay, this is fixed. Need to fix this as well. That looks almost good again. I think we can leave it like this. Or can we? Yeah, we can. Good. Yeah. I basically repaired my screw up. Okay, that's that. Good. Next step. I need to get rid of all the stuff in my inventory first. Let's see. All right. Yeah, I'm quite nervous about going in and getting all the honey, because the last time I did that, I accidentally punched one of the bees and most of my bees died because they stung me, and of course when they sting you they die. It's like, oh my god, I was so devastated. So I'm not going to do anything right now. I'm going to focus now on my AE setup, and then I can start putting in the hives that I already have, and yeah, I'm going to go over this. But I think, you know, I have been doing so much this episode already. I will leave it for the next episode, which will also come out very soon, this time at least, because I'm producing this right away. So thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about my build. Let me know in the comments. Like my video, very, very important, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. And if you want the schematics for Create for my setup, go to my Discord. I will post them there. You know, I welcome you there. It's a cool space. I'm starting it up. I mean, I've been advertising it for a while now, but it's pretty dead already still. But let's fill it with life, you know. Let's make it matter. I put everything away. And yeah, until then, have a beautiful time and see you later.